Why are building collapsing? Why are there a lot of building collapses around? In recent times, we have seen a lot of buildings collapsing here and there, and it's becoming too rampant. It's worrisome, okay? That is why I've come today to give one simple reason why a lot of buildings are collapsing, why they are being constructed. Okay, if you look at my hand, you will see this is residential development. Okay, this is a building plan. This is an approved building plan from Asaba. All right, an approved building plan from Asaba. Now, this is the reason why we have a lot of buildings collapsing in recent times. The process of getting these documents is hectic. Okay, this is a complete building plan. We have the structural design, we have the architectural design, we have the electrical design, and then we have everything. This is a complete 4-in-1 package. Okay, it's a complete building plan and design. Now, after drawing this, it has to undergo some rigorous processes for it to be approved. Okay, the necessary authorities in charge of this will have to understudy the plan, and then they will also check the location where you want to erect that building to make sure that that location has the capacity to carry the building load. This is what they do. So it takes some processing before they will approve this plan. Now, here is the problem. After they have approved the plan submitted to them, engineers or some people who are building will now go and do something entirely different from what was approved. For instance, what was submitted and approved was a one-story building. Now they will now go and start building for 2-story building, or building something else. You submitted a plan for a bungalow and you're building a duplex or something entirely different from what was submitted or approved. What happens? In the long run, they're going to start having issues because probably the design was not meant to carry something bigger than that. Okay, a lot of people are guilty of this, not following through the plan that was submitted. Maybe because they want to cut costs or they want to cut corners or whatsoever reason they do that, I don't know. But that has also contributed to the high rate of building collapse in recent times. Yes, this is what we did this for a client. Okay, a client that wants to build a twin duplex in Asaba. We drew this for him, we got this for him, we designed this for him, and it was approved. Now, when we begin the building project, we are going to adhere strictly to this document. We're going to adhere strictly to this plan. We are not going to cut corners, and that is why we always advise those who own projects, like those who are actually building, don't disturb or distract us. Don't come into the process and ask us to do this instead of what we have here. At Mex-land Realties, we want to adhere strictly to the plan, and that is what we do, and that is what we will keep doing. We adhere strictly to the building plan. We are not going to add a block on top of what was prescribed. Yes, we maintain the standards because we are a company of integrity. All right, so we want to make sure that what you have here is what we are doing on the ground, so that we don't have any defects or collapse in the future. All right, so if you want to build, if you're interested to embark on a building project, we are the best bet for you, because we are bringing in expertise and integrity into our work, adhering to the plan and making sure that we keep to the standard. All right, so if you want to start building, there's a number on the screen. You can contact us and we're going to assist you with your building projects. We take it from foundation to roofing to finishing, to interiors and exterior, painting and everything. That is what we do at Mex-land Realties. Feel free to chat the number on the screen for any real estate related assistance. Thank you.